Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Accord that generation here from year 2008 to year 2012. If your brake lights do not work, guys, stay with us. We'll explain which fuse you need to check for the brake lights, where that fuse is located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that Honda Accord, that generation from year 2008 to 12, we'll be making video for every fuse, every relay. Why we do that, guys? To save you time and money. Because in the manual, it's not clear what the fuses are for. On those little bitty labels, you have abbreviations that you have no idea what it means. And let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, or you need to find a cigarette lighter fuse because you cannot charge your phone and your navigation doesn't work. Stay with us, guys, and we're going to share videos on that channel for every single fuse and relay. Another thing, every single car, guys, that we get at our garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. The mechanical videos will be on our main YouTube channels right there, guys. Altogether, we have about 1.2 million subscribers. We have helped over 1 million people save thousands of dollars. And let me show you something else, guys. If you need to buy relays, fuses at a really good price, guys, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. That way you don't waste time and money, guys, because some of those could be really expensive. You have those special fuses that are specific Honda fuses that could be really expensive, hard to find, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can find the fuses, relays. That way you don't waste your money. So the brake lights fuse, guys, where it's located, we're going to demonstrate on a 2010 Honda Accord that we have right here in the garage, guys. So, fun fact, you have 3 different fuse boxes. Luckily enough, we'll be working in one of them, and it's really accessible, easily accessible. You open the hood in your Honda Accord right here. That's your main engine fuse box right here. Open that cover, and you're going to notice a fuse box layout that looks just like this one. Now, before we continue, guys, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here, what do we need to check? You guys have different kinds of fuses, relays that could be really hard to find or expensive. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you don't waste your money. But if you come in that row right here, from the right to the left, counting fuse number 9, 10, that 20 amp fuse, guys, right here, that's the one for the brake lights that you need to check. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know, leave a comment below. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time.